Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kali.Alexandria. So happy that you guys are with me here today. So excited to be doing a sit down video. I haven't done one of these in so long and I'm so happy to be back just sitting in front of my camera and chatting to you guys. But if you're not already, subscribe to my channel because I post Wednesdays and Sundays. My dog's barking. This is just how it goes. And like this video because honestly, it just supports me. So make sure you guys like this video because it supports me and my channel. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, so in today's video, I really wanted to just talk about how I was able to quit my corporate job and just do something that I really like and that I'm really passionate about. Essentially how I make a full-time income working from home online. I just want to say that I'm fully self-employed and I don't do any direct sales companies. That's just not how I roll. So that is not what this video is about. It's just me telling you guys how I started my own marketing agency and how I got clients and how I'm now working online full-time. It is literally my dream job. I am working my dream and I'm doing it all right now, and I'm just looking up because I created this vision board and you guys will see that video very soon. But it just like encompasses everything that I'm passionate about, and really like I just really wanted a good quality of life because I know I hear so many people say they're not liking their job or they wish they were doing something else, but honestly you have the power to change whatever it is in your life. So even if you're not happy with your job right now, I just hear so many people saying how they don't like their job, they don't feel fulfilled, they dread waking up every day. And guys, that is not how life should be, and that is exactly why I moved from a job that I didn't like, that I was working at full-time, to finding something that I was passionate about. Obviously it took a lot of time, it took trial and error, and it took a lot of learning. It was definitely a big learning curve, but you guys, I did it and I know you guys can too. I know everybody's situation is different. You may have kids, I don't have kids, and there's just different expenses that people have. But I'm not saying that if you have kids you don't have the power to change things in your life, because you do. Everybody has the power, and even if it's going back to school or getting your degree finally or something like that, you always have an outlet. I just feel like we should be living our lives to the absolute fullest, and we should be living a positive and happy life, and life is really not meant to be lived just doing something you hate every single day. So you guys have the power to change it. But enough on that rant. I'm going to tell you guys how I quit my job that I honestly hated and am now doing something that I have loved. So just a little bit of a background. I just graduated college. I got my bachelor's degree in aviation management. So I literally just did that like months ago. So I am college educated, I guess. I have my degree. That is always something I really wanted, and it turns out I'm not even going to be using my degree for a while, and that is fine, but I just wanted it in my back pocket just in case I needed it. But yeah, I worked in my career field industry for a while. I was actually I can't remember if I was 19 or 20. I got this internship in an airline, I will just say that, and it was just in the offices, the corporate offices. It was a corporate job. I started doing that full-time while I was still in school full-time. So you guys could guess it, I was literally struggling so hard with doing both full-time. So eventually I cut back my hours at my job and started doing it part-time. But honestly, I just struggled with people not taking me seriously because I was so young. I worked that job for 2-ish years, and honestly I look back now and I'm so thankful that I did it because it has taught me so much. I can't even tell you. And I got the feel of what a corporate job was like, and I knew I didn't want to do that the rest of my life. So that's where the motivation for me getting clients and trying to make money online really came from. So during that time I kind of set myself up for whenever I graduated to transition into full-time self-employment, which is exactly what I did. I set myself up for that. So yeah, people always ask me how I was able to get clients and everything, and honestly it just goes back to my social media. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that I am like this blogger, and I put my life out on social media, and from there I was able to use that as a portfolio to get social media clients. So basically all my clients are social media management, writing, because I do have a blog, and then also I just created my own marketing agency, which is specifically in the Pinterest niche. So that's super exciting. The website's perfectlypinterest.com. I'll leave it here and I'll leave it down below if you guys want to check that out. But that is something that I was so excited to do, and I just find that Pinterest is my ultimate like social media passion, I guess. I love doing Instagram, but I just feel like Pinterest is just so amazing for businesses and bloggers, so I use that and help out with other businesses and bloggers and their strategy for that. So that's super exciting. Go ahead and check out my website. That's a relatively new, but I'm so excited that I finally started that, because starting a marketing agency was definitely a dream of mine, so super excited. But anyway, I do want to talk to you guys about how I started getting clients. So like I said, I built my own social media presence as a portfolio, and then I applied for Upwork.com, which is a great place for freelancers to meet clients, and people post jobs and you can kind of apply to them. So it's really nice. It's all remote work. I don't think there's any work where you can like go into an office. There might be, like you can search like local stuff, but mostly it's for remote workers, and that is where I meet the majority of my clients. Upwork is seriously the best platform ever. So if you guys are thinking about doing this, you guys have a skill, whereas it be graphic design, it could be writing, it could be like database stuff, it could be, what other stuff is there? Social media like I do, or it could just be like random work. If you guys are good at something on the computer, definitely apply for Upwork. It has been amazing for me and my business. So yeah, that's where I meet the majority of my clients. And then also I'm a part of a lot of different Facebook groups where other people can connect. People can post like little jobs that they have, and granted, like you can find different clients that are either like a one-off project, they just need help with one thing, or you can get like long-term work. Okay, somebody had to join me. She's so cute. This is Angel if you guys are new here. But anyway, yes, there's just a whole bunch of different work that you guys can apply for, and that honestly, like I just have met the best clients on there. Why are you whining? But yeah, if you guys are just looking at getting started, definitely apply for Upwork. What? But anyway, it's just been the best process on just seeing how far I can take my business, and I have been working full-time, just self-employed since April of 2019, I think it is. So it's been more than a year now, and honestly, I have had no regrets. I wouldn't go back at all, and I'm just so excited for what I'm doing and all the clients that I have, because you can find some of the best people, and it has just been so rewarding, especially working for yourself and knowing your finances. That is probably the toughest part about being self-employed. So technically I'm a sole proprietor, so that means I have to do my own federal and state taxes. So I've learned how to make estimated tax payments, which has been honestly super empowering, just knowing that like all of your finances are in order, I guess, and just knowing where all your money is going, what your expenses are. So that has been the biggest challenge, the biggest learning curve, but it has been so dang rewarding. So if you guys have any questions about self-employment, please let me know, because I was honestly the same way. I had no idea what I was doing, but now it's just like I just feel so much more confident and excited, and I'm just happy about life. But yeah, that is honestly the scoop, and I'm so excited that you guys joined me in this video today. Comment down below what your current job is. I always love to hear from you guys, and make sure you like this video because it really supports me and my channel, and subscribe because I post Wednesdays and Sundays. And yeah, that's it. So thank you guys for joining me today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Oh, you've gotta learn. Don't suppress your fire, baby, let it burn. Be who you are.
Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Callie. Hi! They're laughing at me doing my intro, but hello, we are down at Cabana Bay in Universal Studios, and it is our first morning. We're going to a cafe called Kiki's Diner or Kiki's Breakfast Cafe, something like that. But I'll show you guys, but this is our little, is it a resort technically? Yeah. So walking around, checking it out. So we'll be at the pool today, and then we're gonna do the Universal Parks tomorrow. So stay tuned.